Welcome to our channel. Tufts University doctoral student out of IC custody after judge orders her release. A Tufts University doctoral student was freed from IC custody on Friday after a federal judge in Vermont ordered that she be released on bail. Rumeysa Öztürk, a Turkish national, was detained in March after her visa was revoked by the Trump administration. U.S. District Judge William Sessions slammed the government in ordering Öztürk released while their case against her proceeds, saying that the government had not produced any evidence against her aside from an op-ed she co-wrote in her student newspaper last year. I put the government on notice that they should immediately introduce any such evidence, and that was 3 weeks ago, and there has been no evidence that has been introduced by the government other than the op-ed. I mean, that literally is the case. There is no evidence here as to the motivation absent consideration of the op-ed, he said during her bail hearing Friday. Öztürk's legal team confirmed her release from the detention facility in Louisiana with ABC News on Friday evening. Öztürk testified remotely at her bail hearing from the Louisiana detention facility, where she has been held since IC agents detained her near her home in Massachusetts on March 25th. Her lawyers argued that the former Fulbright scholar is being targeted by the Trump administration because of a column she co-wrote in her student newspaper criticizing the university's response to resolutions approved by the Tufts Community Union Senate. Those resolutions called on the university to acknowledge the Palestinian genocide, apologize for University President Sunil Kumar's statements, disclose its investments, and divest from companies with direct or indirect ties to Israel, she wrote in the op-ed. The attorney representing the government did not cross-examine Öztürk during Friday's bail hearing, nor offer any witnesses that could attest to why she was a threat to foreign policy, as the administration has alleged. Judge Sessions also highlighted several of the declarations that were submitted in Öztürk's defense, attesting to her peaceful and compassionate character. I will just express my own observation, and that this is a woman who's just totally committed to her academic career. This is someone who probably doesn't have a whole lot of other things going on other than reaching out to other members of the community in a caring and compassionate way, the judge said. There is absolutely no evidence that she has engaged in violence or advocated violence. She has no criminal record. She has done nothing other than essentially attend her university and expand her contacts within the community in such a supportive way, he said. In a statement to ABC News issued after her arrest last month, a Department of Homeland Security spokesperson said, DHS and IC investigations found Öztürk engaged in activities in support of Hamas, a foreign terrorist organization that relishes the killing of Americans. A visa is a privilege, not a right. Glorifying and supporting terrorists who kill Americans is grounds for visa issuance to be terminated. This is common sense security. The judge also preemptively said that he is not open to granting a stay of his order. Instead, he ordered the government to submit a set of conditions that IC would impose for her release.